guys, this is and welcome back to my channel. Are you still struggling when packing for traveling? Especially for long travel periods? Tell me, where was the last place you traveled to? Comment it down below, I would love to know. We will be traveling for this new year and we'll be staying out of town for a week. So I need to strategize on how I'm gonna pack our bags and use as little space as much as possible. I would love to share it with you and give some tips and tricks on how I do it to make packing more efficiently and easier. But before that, I do have an ongoing giveaway, so check out my video on Lazada 1212 so you'll know the mechanics and how to join. Alright, let's do this! I always roll our clothes when packing. Here, I already have sets of clothes so it's easier to get and no need to look for their match. I pair it together first before rolling. Same with my dress. I also roll it to save space. For my underwear, I use this packing cube to contain it. I rolled and folded my panties as I usually do, and I also brought some swimmers since we're going to the beach. Then, I was able to fit it all in just one medium-sized packing cube. Next are for toiletries. I used a small pouch to contain our toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, and soap. I also used a small bag for other essentials like my small makeup kit, tissue, lotion, Q-tips, moisturizer, and I also made sure to bring a relief cream in case my kids get skin irritation or itch. I also have my handy-dandy baby wipes as always. Next are boys' clothes. I had to fit both our clothes and stuff in this small luggage. I rolled his shirts and then placed his boxers in a small pouch. I also rolled his shorts to save space. For my extra pair of sandals, I placed it in a plastic bag so to avoid dirt in the luggage. Placed it all in our bag and voila! Packing made easy! Just a quick tip, don't forget to bring a laundry bag or use an extra eco bag for your dirty clothes. For us, we used the biggest packing cube for our laundry. Hope you learned something new and thank you for staying up until the end of this video. Don't forget to check out my video on Lazada 1212 so you'll know the mechanics and you can join the giveaway. Happy 1,000 subscribers! Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the support, and I will see you next time. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Thank you for watching. Bye!